Welcome to your planning dashboard. This is the space where you can define clearly your goals and get personalized step-by-step roadmaps of how you can achieve them based on your budget, location, current skill set, and many more parameters that are unique to you. You can define a new goal by pressing the Add Goal button. This will bring up a window where you can specify your goal. Then you can specify your parameters, such as in how much time you want to achieve it, the time commitment that you can invest per week, but also your budget. If you want, you can specify your location to find relevant job opportunities, events, and career fairs. After you've added some more details, the platform will generate some follow-up questions which you can answer to give more context to the planning generation. Here, you can choose whether you want to run a feasibility analysis to make sure that your goal is realistic and feasible, but also you choose whether you want the roadmap to be generated automatically. Once your roadmap is generated, you will see a timeline planned with exact dates and a step-by-step roadmap of how you can achieve this goal. It consists of different steps that you can press to see the specific sub-items and tasks that you can work on to start making progress. When you have completed some steps, you can also mark them as done. If you think something is missing, you can add your own step, but also your own tasks. Plan specific dates for this task, and you can also choose to generate the subtasks automatically if you're not experienced in how you can achieve this, or manually. After your item is added, you can see the generated tasks. The second part of the planning dashboard includes making progress on your goals. You can press Start Making Progress to move to the workspace. In the workspace, you'll be able to see all of the to-dos, and you will also be able to see the tasks and generate a guide to give you a bit of help into getting started. If some of these tasks require tools and resources, you will find them in the Resources tab. Every resource will be accompanied by a link that you can press to see the resource. You can also add your own notes on each of these to-dos to keep track of your progress and to remember your learnings. If you want, you can also generate manual roadmaps. These goals will have steps specified exclusively by you. You can also add a goal, specify the parameters, and at the end, you can uncheck the Generate Roadmap Automatically checkbox. Like this, you will create a goal where you will be in control of all the roadmap items. You can add your own steps, plan them with dates, and visualize the roadmap for every one of your goals.